VersaBlade wire-to-wire connectors from Molex are ideal for both power and data transmission, supporting voltage ratings up to 600 volts and currents up to 15 amps per contact. Connectors in the VersaBlade range also have a minimum durability of 30 cycles, a contact retention force of 4 kilograms, and an insertion force of 3.5 kilograms. To prevent incorrect insertion, VersaBlade connectors have polarized housings, while glow wire capabilities help to meet global safety environmental standards. Additionally, the VersaBlade connectors also come with snap-in mounting ears to provide a strong retention force, and the use of housing lances improves retention while eliminating flares and weak metal tangs. With numerous options on connector counts, connector type, and temperature rating, VersaBlade wire-to-wire connectors are ideal for numerous applications, including refrigeration systems, air conditioners, printers, medical equipment, and data center power supplies.